Hello, and welcome to the Nerdy Naija podcast. My name is Nerdy Naija, and I am a Nigerian currently residing in America. Just a little bit about me. I have a passion for science, history, and really everything in between. I started this channel to really showcase the accomplishments and contributions of Africans and the African diaspora in science, technology, and innovation. I'm really excited to share the vast knowledge and expertise that individuals from this continent and its diaspora bring to the world. So, what does it actually mean? This means on this channel, you'll see stories of ingenuity, transformation, and progress from quite possibly one of the most dynamic regions on the planet. You'll get to meet innovators pushing scientific boundaries in medicine, agriculture, energy, and technology. We'll explore how new technologies are empowering entrepreneurs and communities to find uniquely African solutions to local challenges. We'll gain insights from the scientists and engineers who are in the labs and on the ground within the diaspora who are changing the world while inspiring future generations. Also, we'll follow the latest breakthroughs in science from the leading universities, and we'll see really what's on the horizon that's going to shape the next wave of innovation. So, join us as we explore the technologies, ideas, and global collaborations accelerating Africa to the 21st century. If you're interested in topics ranging from artificial intelligence to quantum computing, nanotechnology, space exploration, renewable energy, agriculture, education, entrepreneurship, and even medicine, this is a hub where we explore all those topics and more. If any of that sounded interesting to you, subscribe and join the community celebrating Africa's best and brightest. This channel is a home for science, technology, and innovation across Africa and its diaspora. I'll catch you in the next video.